This is how to create Epic in Jira. From your Jira dashboard, go to Project and select a project you want your Epic. I'll select Backend Vault. I'll select the board, go to Backlog, and go to Epic. And toggle this one on, and you will see an Epic on the left side. So just click Create Epic. Choose a sprint. Add a summary. Let's say back and bug fixes. You can also add a parent, so there's no parent here. And you can add description. Say for instance, bug and fixes and front end enhancement. And you can select your versions, but this has no version. You can set your priority, for instance, highest. Select a theme. You can also add labels and select a start date. If you need to add attachments, for instance, documents, you can attach it here. And for due date, this is the deadline. And you can assign to me and just click create. So this is how to create Epic in Jira.